It's Glenn with ERD, you know, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about CPC4 and what we can do for you, the trucker out there in the United States who has a Freightliner Cascadia. So, as you know, a lot of these are still being stolen right out of the truck, and we have a solution. On its table right here is our CPC4 quick release system, which allows you to remove the box from the truck and take it with you so that you cannot get it stolen. This is a security system that we have installed in hundreds of trucks all over the country without a single problem. So if you are worried about your CPC4 being stolen, please reach out to us and we can get you this system today. In addition, we are still providing the best possible CPC4 service in the United States. We are the most affordable, the quickest, with the best return, the best warranty rate, and the best service. So if you're having a problem with your CPC4, reach out to us. For $600, we do a full rebuild on your module, typically in about 5 days, with a rush service available at 2 days for an additional fee. And we get it back to you programmed to our truck. You can pay us to have the VIN flash for you, or you can do it yourself. So if your CPC4 is down and you need it fixed, please reach out to us at wefixcpc4.com. And once again, you don't want to get it stolen? Give us a call. You need it fixed? Give us a call. Once again, Glenn with ERD. You know, I'm the guy in the video. I got the answers. Give us a call.